Welcome to The Truth Travels, the channel where we follow power wherever it goes. Uncover the alliances that shape nations and bring you the stories that aren't afraid to ruffle a few feathers. If you've ever wondered whether blogging or vlogging can actually make you money, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of creating content online through blogs and videos and explore all the ways you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Whether you want to share your travel stories, daily life, tutorials, or any other niche, I'll guide you through the practical steps, real earning strategies, and common pitfalls to avoid. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how bloggers and vloggers make money, what it really takes to succeed, and how you can start your own journey. Let's get started. What are blogging and vlogging? First, let's clarify what blogging and vlogging are. Blogging means writing articles, stories, or posts on a website. It's mostly text, sometimes accompanied by photos or videos, and usually focused on a specific niche like travel, food, fashion, tech, or personal development. On the other hand, vlogging is video blogging, sharing your life, knowledge, or entertainment through videos on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Both are ways to share your voice with the world, and the best part is anyone can start with just a smartphone or a laptop. Why do people blog or vlog? People start blogs or vlogs for many reasons. Some want to express themselves creatively, while others hope to build a community around a shared interest. Many use these platforms to document life events or journeys, educate or entertain others, or simply connect with like-minded individuals. And of course, a growing number of people begin with the goal of making money. Understanding your own why is important because it helps you stay motivated and focused, especially when challenges arise. How to start a blog. If blogging interests you, here's how to get started. First, choose a niche, a topic you love and that people want to read about. Next, pick a blogging platform. Popular options include WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace, with WordPress being the most popular for serious bloggers due to its flexibility and control. Then purchase a domain name and hosting service to make your blog look professional and easy to find. After that, design your blog using themes that make your site attractive and easy to navigate. Begin creating quality content by writing useful, engaging posts that solve problems or entertain your readers. Learning basic SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial because it helps your blog get found on Google. Finally, promote your blog through social media, online forums, and guest posting to attract readers. How to start a vlog. Starting a vlog follows similar principles but focuses on video content. Begin by choosing your niche, such as travel, lifestyle, tech reviews, tutorials, or gaming, whatever you're passionate about. Next, select your platform, with YouTube being the largest, but TikTok and Instagram Reels also growing rapidly for vlogging content. Initially, you can film with a smartphone, and as you grow, consider upgrading to better cameras, microphones, and editing software. Plan your content by deciding on your style, whether scripted, casual, daily updates, or specific topics. Film and edit your videos using free or paid software to make them more polished. Upload consistently because regular uploads help build and maintain an audience. And most importantly, engage with your viewers by replying to comments and creating a sense of community. How do bloggers and vloggers make money? Now, the big question, how do bloggers and vloggers actually make money? There are several main income streams to consider. First, advertising is common. Bloggers can use display ads like Google AdSense, which place ads on their site. Bloggers earn money when visitors click on these ads or simply view them. Vloggers can monetize their videos on YouTube once they meet the platform's partner program requirements, earning money based on views and ad engagement. While ads are relatively easy to set up and can provide passive income, the earnings may be low at first and depend heavily on your traffic or view count. Next, affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate income. This involves promoting products or services using special affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or niche-specific programs. It's important to promote products you trust, as maintaining your audience's trust is crucial. Sponsored content is another revenue source, where brands pay you to create posts or videos featuring their products. This can include blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts, and usually requires a strong and engaged audience. Finally, many bloggers and vloggers sell their own products or services. Digital products like ebooks, courses, presets, or templates can generate passive income. Some creators sell physical products such as merchandise or books, while others offer services like coaching, consulting, or freelance work related to their niche. How long does it take to make money? It's important to set realistic expectations. Most bloggers and vloggers spend months or even years building their audience before earning significant income. Success requires consistency, quality content, and patience. Early earnings may be small, but with dedication, they can grow exponentially over time. Keep in mind that the content creation journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Creating content isn't always easy, and challenges are normal. Burnout is common. Balancing content creation with life demands breaks and good time management. Finding your unique voice is key. Be authentic and avoid copying others. Dealing with negative comments or trolls requires a positive mindset and focusing on your supportive community. Technical skills like editing videos, SEO, and marketing take time to learn but are essential. Monetization can be tricky at first, so experiment with different income streams and always diversify your efforts. Tips to grow your blog or vlog fast. To grow quickly, focus on creating content tailored to a specific niche to attract the right audience. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. Use social media strategically to promote your content and engage with your followers. Optimize your titles, thumbnails, and descriptions for better discoverability on search engines and platforms. Consistently engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for feedback, which builds loyalty. Invest time in learning SEO for blogs and understanding YouTube's algorithm or TikTok's trends to increase your chances of being seen. Tools and resources. There are many tools available to help streamline your blogging or vlogging journey. For blogging, platforms like WordPress make publishing easy. Tools like Grammarly help polish your writing. Canva can be used to create graphics, and Google Analytics tracks your site's performance. For vlogging, popular editing software includes Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve, while TubeBuddy helps manage YouTube channels. Canva also works great for designing thumbnails and social media posts. Monetization platforms like Google AdSense, Amazon Associates, Patreon, and Teachable enable different income streams. Social media scheduling tools like Buffer and Hootsuite help maintain consistent posting. Final thoughts and encouragement. Blogging and vlogging are accessible, creative, and exciting ways to share your passion with the world. Monetizing these platforms takes work and patience, but is achievable with the right mindset and strategies. Focus on providing real value and building genuine relationships with your audience. Remember, every successful blogger or vlogger started small. Your journey begins with a single post or video, so take the first step today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into blogging and vlogging, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Feel free to share your questions or your own blogging and vlogging experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, your voice matters, and with dedication, you can turn your passion into profit. Stay tuned to The Truth Travels for more in-depth stories like this. Like, share, and subscribe because the truth always travels. See you in the next video.